A 20-acre lakeside palace with a restored stepwell for your fairas, just 1 hour from Jaipur.
Hi, this is Gurjeet from Wed Me Good, and this is Umaid Palace Dosa, a heritage wedding venue that feels authentic, spacious, and calm. This property has been hosting weddings for over 2 decades, and you can feel that history. Let me show you the reason why this venue is mostly sold out. The Bauri, a real restored stepwell, an ancient architectural marvel that seats 200 guests.
Imagine your fairas here, the stone steps, the depth, the history. It's the kind of backdrop you can't create artificially, and your guests will be talking about it for years.
And if this feels too dramatic, there's a quieter alternative. The Baradri. Same heritage language, smaller guest count, and more warmth. For your bigger functions, the celebration lawns comfortably hold up to 500 guests, which is perfect for a grand reception under the stars.
The beauty here is you're not squeezed in, you have actual breathing room.
The Palki patio is where I'd suggest doing your Sangeet. It holds 300 people, and with the right decor and lighting, this becomes your perfect concert venue for the night. Now, the poolside area. And this is important. 250 guest capacity. This is your haldi spot.
Morning sunlight, pool backdrop, relaxed vibes. Trust me, your mehendi artist will love this natural lighting, and your photographer will thank you. Location reality check. You're about 60 minutes from Jaipur, 2 hours from Delhi via the new expressway. But that's also why people like it. You get that destination wedding feeling without flights or complicated travel.
There are 73 rooms on the property, so most of your guests stay together. And honestly, that changes the whole wedding vibe.
Here's something unique. This property runs an organic farm and its own dairy. So when we talk about farm to table, it's literally happening here. The food reviews are consistently strong, fresh ingredients, proper execution, and that matters because your guests will definitely remember if the food wasn't good.
The property is spread over 20 acres, overlooking Kalakho Lake.
You've got peacocks roaming around, you've got gardens, you've got that peaceful countryside feeling. It's what couples mean when they say they want a getaway wedding. This venue works best if you're planning a wedding with around 150 to 400 guests. You want heritage and space, but you don't want to go too far from Jaipur. Umaid Palace gives you that authentic Rajasthani palace experience closer to home.
If Umaid Palace sounds like the right fit for your wedding, then reach out to us at the number below or log on to wedmegood.com to get the best pricing and availability.